Lions Club district president discussed his administration's achievements, highlighting impactful programs that have made a significant difference in the community. Initiatives such as eyeglass donations, Global Service Implementation Day, youth empowerment, diabetes screening, and a hunger relief project that reached over 2,000 lives demonstrate the club's commitment to serving the community and addressing various needs, from health and wellness to education and empowerment.
Hello, good afternoon. Okay, my name is Tolulope Esebanjo, the District Governor for District 404B2 Nigeria. Okay, so Lions International is an international organization started about 108 years ago, 1917 precisely, and we've been touching lives since then. But particularly in our district, this Lions service here that started on the 1st of July, we've been able to carry out a series of impactful projects, including screening, diabetes screening, and awareness. We've also been able to carry out vision projects where we screened children of secondary school and provided eyeglasses for those that needed them. We also had cataract surgery for those that needed cataract surgeries to be done. We sponsored it 100%. We've also been able to carry out projects in line with our environmental global cause where we planted trees. We also ensured that we recycled plastic waste. Particularly in Agege community, we had what we call the Global Service Implementation Day, where not only did we screen diabetes patients, we also provided eyeglasses, we planted trees, we also empowered the youth in terms of first aid training, and then we also taught them how to make liquid soap as well as toilet wash. At that program as well, we had empowerment for barbers where we gave them clippers, aprons, brushes. We've also been able to give seedlings, cassava seedlings, maize seedlings to farmers to enable them utilize the planting season and have a bountiful harvest. At that program as well, we had an LCIF funded hunger project where we donated about 500 packs of food to 500 families, which translates to about 2,000 lives. Recently in Ilorin, where we had the district convention, we had a similar project where we replicated what we did in Lagos. So far this year, our district has continued to impact lives, and we have about 94 clubs in our district who on their own have been carrying out various service activities, and we are proud of the achievement they've been able to record. The vision for Lions is to see an organization where we are known for the service that we render, a Lions Club where not only do we impact life, but people know about what we do and people are eager to join us. Someone once said that if you start chasing butterflies, they are going to run away. But if you build a garden, the butterflies will come towards the garden. So we are trying to create that platform where Lions Club will be like the garden and people will be eager to join our association. And our plan for this year as Lions Club, particularly District 404B2, is to build a food bank that will cater to about 100,000 lives annually. We still need support. We're still calling on high net worth individuals, people of the community, government in particular, to please support us to ensure that we achieve this, our core project. We require the government to please support us in our efforts to help the less privileged. Organizations such as Lions Club International are established to balance the work of government where government cannot reach. This organization, particularly Lions Club International, can step in to alleviate the needs of the people of the community, particularly at this time where we are seeing a lot of organizations or the United States withdraw the PEP fund, which is geared towards people living with HIV/AIDS. We might see other reduction in government intervention. This is the time when our own Nigerian government needs to support organizations such as Lions Club, because the pressure will now start mounting on Lions Club to provide more for these less privileged people in our community. So we need their support, particularly District 404B2 is calling on the Lagos State government to please help us facilitate a land that we will use to build our food bank and that will serve millions of lives in Lagos State.
Okay.
My advice to Nigerians is that we practice good citizenship. That is one of our mission, as our vision, our purpose as Lions Club, is that we practice good citizenship, and that does not stop with us only going about our responsibilities daily. It involves us being intentional, such as not dropping refuse on the road, such as maintaining queues, such as waiting to stop at the bus stop, and a lot of all these smaller details that we refuse to pay attention to. And to Lions, I want to implore us to keep serving. Let us keep the service spirit. We know that the work we do, we might not get the thank you for all the effort that we put into service, but let us just keep serving. Let's keep impacting life. Let's put service first, and let's continue creating a lasting impact. My name is Lion Tolulope Esebanjo, the District Governor for District 404B2 Nigeria.